Stability of multistoried building. Abstract megastructures, multi-story buildings, concrete, seismic forces, aggregates, geopolyme, ecological balance. Introduction. Look around the world and it is changing every second. From huts to bricks to multi-storied to towers. Civil department has expanded its feathers to the height of clouds. Megastructures in today's world are changing the picture of the skyline. Not just creativity but also it was the need suitable for increasing population where land has always been an issue. But if it was so easy for those megastructures to remain still. If they could survive more than the ones with their head closer to the ground. 2. Yes, it is pretty much clear that higher they go, more chances of failure would be. They were then subjected to lateral forces, i.e. wind and seismic forces. But as we know, that discoveries and everyday progress evade our worries. Ease of use. A. Discoverers. M.Tech scholar Romesh Malviya, Assistant Professor Sagar Jamal and ASSC. Professor Kundan Meshram carried out a brief study on the stability of multi-storied buildings and gave us the understanding of a new concept where it has been observed that overuse of fine aggregates obtained from the river is the reason of overexploitation and ecological imbalance. B. Today's scenario. Today all the developments and big projects are purely the harnessers of the material causing an ecological imbalance. That might help in the present time but won't persuade for the future. We have been waiting for the world where development shouldn't be the issue for any society. 3. Change in the construction. Instead of using them purely, if geopolymer concrete from industrial waste would have been used in a mixture with them, multi-storied building would be more stable. Yes, it is true, and so does civil engineering department has achieved the stepping success in the field of establishment stably. A. Figures and tables. Height in stories. Description. This is just one example of civil experts claiming the best alternatives for the stability of multi-storied buildings. Fine aggregates partially replaced by compatible materials like glass powder, crushed rock dust as best alternatives for multi-storied buildings. These tests and results with the confined research are most important in today's scenario when everything has been on the stake of an ecological imbalance. We have to find a way to maintain the ecology as well as transforming a better world where land never supposed to be a large issue. The nature of this world and human being is not to stop. We have been evolving since a long time, and every bit of the image from the Stone Age to the agriculture to the industries to the virtual world of Internet has been screening us for the heights of development. We have been projecting to the world with no limitations. If there is no limitation for universe, why should we made one for us? But the breaking of these limitations should not be so casual that we made human life at risk. Multi-storied buildings and towers have eventually helped in reaching the global fit for the growing population, a sigh of relief, but even in the market of no equality, it has been still a dream for the middle class to join the luxury. But if the new research and ease in material availability and cheaper price could help the middle and lower class to enter the paradise, at least for them. Acknowledgement. Civil engineers in our country are on the purge of determination to make this society more stable and easier for every section of society. Their continuous efforts will one day for sure lead a better and sky-touching life.